Welcome to Rapid Protos, RPS. We are a rapid manufacturer specialized in rapid prototyping and low-volume manufacturing for plastic and metal parts. Located in Shenzhen, China, we have passed ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 13485 and other international quality management system certifications to ensure the excellent quality of each project. We offer outstanding global services, covering from independent inventors or designers to large-scale industrial, commercial, medical, automotive, and even aerospace companies. With a team of experienced engineers and machinists, we used advanced equipment to offer you a variety of services, including CNC machining, rapid tooling, vacuum casting, sheet metal fabrication, and 3D printing. Once the order confirmed, we will qualify every aspect of your project in advance to be able to shortest lead time and highest quality. At Rapid Protos, CNC machining is usually widely used for design verification and short-run production of plastic and metal parts. Rapid Protos CNA provide one-stop post-finishing solutions. Our technicians can create super clear surface with optical quality, but without any sanding marks and scratches. Our quality engineer team own professional technology to inspect and ensure your projects meet quality specification. Our quality engineer team own professional technology to inspect and ensure your projects meet quality specification. After quality inspection, we will ship your parts with DHL, UPS, FedEx air freight services, global delivery with a few days. Want quality parts in your hands within days? Upload the CAD model right now at rapid-protos.com.